HANGZHOU HOTROCK is a professional supplier specialized in all kinds of bags and belts. Since built in 2006, HOTROCK has more than 13 years of professional industry experience and steady expansion. Through these years, HOTROCK has assembled and retained a strong design, develop, sales, produce, packing lines to ensure a better service for customers. HOTROCK can supply various styles of products, including handbag, tote bags, crossbody bag, backpack, wallet, and splitting leather belts, webbing belts, PU, PVC belts, and other accessories. Our own factory, Woke Leather Products Company Limited, which located in Guangdong City. Of course, all the operating systems are perfect and professional. Especially, we are good at both orders, following up, and quality control. From making sampled to final packed products, all the process is done in one factory, which enables a great control of the quality and high productivity. To help our customers grow, we set up low MOQ for brand labeling products. 7 to 10 days sampling time and quick production always help our customer to expand their market. The delivery way of products includes express, air shipment, sea shipments. Now, HOTROCK's products has enjoyed a good market in the USA, Europe, and South America. We are eager to cooperation with all customers, new and old, home and abroad, in order to bring a prosperous future to both parties of the cooperation. Look forward to serving you.